So this is a tutorial about how to make a review cube, and you can use this cube. I like to use it for review with my AP classes, but you could do it for station activities or really anything that you want. And it's kind of a fun, interactive, blended way of getting kids to, do something physically, but also, interact with technology. So this is what the end product looks like. This is one that I made recently for my AP Government class. What you're going to do is start with a blank slide, and you can change the size of your slide by going up here into File, and there's an option about changing the slide itself, and so you can actually go in and change the size of the slide, which I've done. It's an 8.5 by 11, and you want to delete any text boxes from your blank slide, because anytime you insert a slide, it gives you text boxes, and you don't necessarily need those, so you can just delete them and start with a blank slide. Now, you're going to want to get a template, and I just pulled one from Google Images, and you want to save it to your computer, and then make it your background. So if you right-click and click Change Background, you can actually choose an image, and this is a good thing to do with worksheets as well, like if you have PDFs or if you've taken a screenshot of a worksheet that you would like to make interactive, you can actually do it in Google Slides. Just save the actual worksheet as your background, and then you can put text boxes over top of it that they can actually type in. So let's find our cube outline. There it is. And then there it is. Because it's the background, students can't move it around or anything. It's stuck there. And now to start inserting the QR codes, you want to get together some websites. So I'll just show you one. For my government class, I like to use Crash Courses, and this is just the website with all of the crash courses for government and politics. And so you'll just copy and paste your web link into a QR code creator. This is just the first one that popped up when I searched QR code generator on Google. You can use any one that you like. So you paste your website there, hit create QR code, and then it will give you a QR code over here to the side, and you'll click download, and then it'll download it at the bottom as a zip file. So just to make this easier to deal with, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it in my documents, because I have a folder where I've been putting things for assignments. And you'll just paste it there, and you can rename it once it's outside of the zipped file. I'm going to rename this Crash Course Politics, so it's easy to find later. And then once you have your QR code picture, you can go back to your cube, insert image, and make sure you go back to the place where you just saved it. And there it is. So all you do is insert it and then resize it, place it where it goes. So it's pretty simple. And then you just do that with others. And then you can actually print from here if you go into File and click Download As. You can actually download it as a JPEG. You can also hit Control-P to print. It'll pull up this screen, and you can actually print just the first page that you worked on, and it'll print it as a full page, and then you can make your copies or whatever. But again, this works not just with this cube. If you want to create worksheets like this, you can. So, for example, I made this worksheet out of an old worksheet that I've been using, and I just put in text boxes and things like that. So again, I just changed the background, I put in links, and then there are our text boxes, which you can insert. Oh, where's my... which you can insert by clicking this up here and then just plopping it in. And then students know that that's where they put their answers to things. So hopefully that was helpful and that I didn't ramble too much, but that's, you know, kind of how you can use Google Slides to create worksheets and QR cubes.